Which part are you in it? I'm from Odisha. Lorna, you call me Lorna.
Okay, no, no. So, what do you do? Are a student working or like something else?
I'm not a student. I'm not an employee. I am unemployed. Bekar हूँ. What about you?
Okay, I'm an employee. I'm working.
Okay, which department are you working? Government, private, IT sector? Which?
Private.
Okay, that's good. How long have you been working?
Yes.
Wow. Then are you working in Maharashtra or are you working in different state in India?
I'm working in Hyderabad.
Wow, you are from Maharashtra but you are working in Hyderabad, right?
Mm, yes.
Then right now are you at workplace or are you your residence?
I'm at my residence. It's like workplace in the sense I'm not in office. I'm working from home today.
Okay. Then you are working in private sector, right?
Mm.
What time do you go to office?
Every day I go to office by 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Reach by 9:30. Yeah.
Okay. Then your company provide accommodation, food, everything?
No, no, no. No, no, no. They don't provide
Okay. Your
anything.
company never provide.
Only transportation. Only transport. Only transport they provide.
Okay.
Food they don't provide. Accommodation, if somebody is relocating to some one place to another, they give you the accommodation of like 1 week or 2 weeks.
Wow. Not daily, right?
Mm,
Okay. Then
not really. Yeah.
okay. Then how do you go there? Means your company provide any means transportation?
Yeah, we do have the company bus.
Wow. Then do you have dress code?
Company bus, company cab.
Okay, right. Which color do you wear? Green, yellow?
Which one? Which color?
Yep.
We don't have any dress code. We can wear
Hmm.
anything.
Okay. And but they
Mm.
provide a helmet, right?
Yeah, if you go on a bike, then you have to wear helmet.
Okay. Then that's good. And I think this project is a movable project because if you complete your project, then you have to move in different place. Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Are you working in L&T or gas pipeline or what else? Which company are you working?
I'm working for a address company.
Wow. What's your qualification?
I've done BTech
Okay. What was your branch name?
computer science.
And did you get that job in campus selection or did you appear any interview?
No, I give offline interview, not
Offline.
campus.
Then miss how many days do you get a holiday per year?
2 days, Saturday, Sunday.
Saturday, Sunday means per year एक साल में कितना मिलता है छुट्टी?
Every week, Saturday, Sunday, I have duty.
Okay, but if you want to go your home, then do you take any CL or something, casual leave?
Yeah, I do have to take the leave.
Okay, how many days do you get?
Yearly, we will give like 22 leaves
Okay, 20.
plus 10 government holidays, like almost 32 holidays we get it. Other than this Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, after how many month do you go to your home, your residence, Maharashtra?
3 months after the 3 months.
Okay, then after 3 months you go to your home. Then how many days do you stay there?
I stay for 1 week.
1 week, right? Yeah.
Mm.
Then it is not Miss Maharashtra and Hyderabad. You get a okay. Do you go